The achievements of African Americans both locally and nationally during Black History Month, News Center 7 will be asking you a related question each morning. This morning's question is, who was the first African American appointed to the U.S. Supreme Court? Clarence Thomas, Thurgood Marshall, Jonathan Cochran. To vote, head over to our WHIO News app and click Vote Now under the Live tab. You can also vote on WHIO.com/vote now. We'll have the results and the answer coming up at 5:30. I'm thinking about the snow going away, and I'm not mad about it. I said that yesterday, but I also now think about the rain coming and the muddy mess it's going to be at the farm.
Well, and what I'm thinking about is every time I take Magnolia outside now, we're going to have the melted snow, which was about, 2 or 2.5 inches of water, right? Then you have the rain on top of that. My backyard is going to be a mess. I'm going to have to wipe those paws off for several days. So we've got that coming for us. We've got one more day to watch that rain before it gets here. It's a dry look into downtown Dayton this morning. We're under mostly cloudy skies and just awaiting the potential for a few snow flurries this morning. But as we're going over to Live Doppler 7 radar, you can see that those are fairly isolated. There's a few in and around Urbana right now, maybe a little patch working on through Brookville here in Montgomery County, but that's about it. Temperature-wise, this is as warm as we're going to be today. So we've already hit our high temperature here in Dayton. We're going to cool through the 30s this morning and make it back to the low and mid-30s later on this afternoon. Here's what your forecast looks like on Futurecast. Cloud cover continues to thicken up as we go through the morning, and there's a chance for a few snow flurries. You can see if you pause this map in the right place, you can get one of those blue specks out there indicating a snow flurry or two, but that's about it. We'll see a few breaks in the cloud cover today, especially down south of I-70, north of I-70. We're pretty much socked in with that throughout the day, and then we stay dry until tonight before that rain comes in on your Friday. So ultimately this afternoon, temperatures are not much warmer than where we're at right now. Only 35 degrees today. We'll have a light breeze at times, which could knock the wind chills down into the upper 20s. Overall, today compared to yesterday, the main thing you'll notice is that it's going to be chillier outside. So our big-time rain chance over the next 5 days rolls into here for your Friday. That could get here early tomorrow morning, and then the chance just sticks with us right into your Friday afternoon. So on Futurecast, you can see that knocking on the door here by about 7 in the morning. If the temperatures are cold enough right when the rain gets here, there's a chance that the leading edge of this can actually be mixed with a little bit of snow, but then this quickly goes over to all rain for the remainder of the day. And you see by 2 and 3 in the afternoon, we're still dealing with those rain chances. Sprinkles linger into your Friday night, and then as we continue to see that moisture then coming off of Lake Michigan by your Friday night, some of that could transition over to some snow flurries. But bottom line for your Friday, looking like the wettest day out of the week. And also to just add to the not great forecast for your Friday will be some gusty winds. Starting out tomorrow morning with gusts under 20 miles per hour. Those increase as the day continues. By 4 p.m. in the afternoon, we're looking at gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. So that with the rain, it's not going to be a great combination out there. You'll definitely want the rain jacket more so than the umbrella tomorrow. Now we get past that and we look ahead to your weekend and we start to make those Super Bowl plans. Your Saturday will be a dry day, mostly cloudy skies with temperatures just cooling off throughout the day. Dry for the most part, but there could be a flurry early. On your Super Bowl Sunday itself, there's more sunshine in the forecast, but just a cold day all around with morning lows in the teens, afternoon high temperatures only getting up to the 20s. As far as snow chances go over the next 5 days, there's no real appreciable snow chances, but we could see a few flurries today, again on Saturday morning, and then again on Monday morning, but no accumulation with any of those systems. Here's a 7-day forecast, 35 degrees today, 44 tomorrow, but that rain comes in. Then cold for both Saturday and Sunday, warming up a little bit as we go into next week to 52 degrees by next Wednesday. Let's get another check on the roadways now with Sergeant Mark Bauer. And Sarge, the driving conditions this morning should be pretty good. How's the traffic looking out there?
Yeah, still light volume, Austin, and as you mentioned, the road conditions are good. Out on the freeway system, we've been keeping an eye on our camera system, and for those of you headed out right now, this is the camera at I-675, Colonel Glenn Highway area. That ramp to the left there, that's the ramp that leads over to Area B by Wright Pat and the Colonel Glenn Highway exit. And as you can see, we are dealing with light volume on this part of the freeway. I'm Sergeant Mark Bauer, WHIO Team Traffic.
Your morning cup of joe will soon cost you more. We're looking into what's behind the spike in coffee prices. Potholes are causing major problems for drivers. The highway partially closed this morning, and when it will be back open.